Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you all how I dyed my custom made wig. So what I'll be using is the high color L'Oreal highlights. I'm going to be using the Sizzling Copper, the Copper Red, the Red, and the Copper. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna show you my mistakes and everything that I did with this L'Oreal color highlights. I'm going to be using the 40 volume developer because I want it to be a little bit bright, and they tell you to use the 30, but I recommend the 40 if you're looking for more of a vibrant color. I'm going to use a bowl and I'm going to use some brushes. So we're going to get to it. I want to tell y'all this hair I had laying around, and also this is the hair that I reviewed maybe like a couple of weeks ago or a month ago, and I'm just kind of revamping it a little bit. And as y'all can see, this hair is super dark, it's super black. So I'm going to start off by putting like the colors of the L'Oreal highlights in there. I believe the first go around I mixed the Sizzling Copper with the either the Sizzling Copper with the copper. And as y'all can see, I'm just taking it and I'm just gonna squeeze it into the bowl, and then I'm gonna take that little tube and put the red on top of the light cream color that they have coming out to make it that Sizzling Copper. And then I'm pretty much gonna spread the mixture onto the bundle. And what I want to tell y'all is, when I did this, I put it in foil. So, you know, when you use foil, it turns a little faster, and the process makes it heat up so that it can process and lift it a little bit higher. And when I tell y'all, this thing did not lift at all. I'm just like, in my mind, I'm like, okay, y'all, I wasted all this hair dye that I've spent at least $40 on at the store. So I'm not gonna lie, I was feeling some type of way. But later on in the video, I decided that I'm going to try and lift the color up a little bit more. So I went back out to the store, bought some BW2 powder and some more 40 dot volume developer, and I decided to lighten the hair since it did not turn the first time, which you will see in this video. And when I tell y'all, after I bleached the hair, because y'all see how black this hair is, it ended up coming out the color that I wanted it to be. And then, just to be extra, because I'm super extra, I went to the hair store and also bought some Adore semi-permanent hair dye, which was the color Cajun Spice and Paprika, because it hit all the colors that I was going for, which you will see in this video. So y'all keep staying tuned to see the colors and how everything came out. I'm just telling y'all my mistakes, but I would recommend, if you have super dark hair, make sure that you lighten it first. And then, even though you know you try not to use the bleach, but if it's black, I recommend that you use the bleach. Lighten it first, and then put the high L'Oreal color highlights on top. And I promise you, you will get that vibrant color that you need it to be. But I just want to let y'all know the little disclaimer that I had. I ended up showing you all how I double wefted my bundles and sewed them on my sewing machine. I didn't go through the whole process because I have a couple of videos of me showing how I pretty much do how I make my wig, excuse me, y'all, make my wig on the sewing machine. So if you want to see that, I can link it in the description below, or I can make another video showing you all how I custom make my wigs on a sewing machine, so you have a more detailed view. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I love y'all trendsetters. I have reached the 1,000 subscriber mark, which I'm so happy about. Thank you for supporting me through this journey, and I pray that you continue to support me. And yeah, y'all just continue watching the video, and I will talk to y'all soon.
baptized in Christ, He saved my life. He sacrificed His own for mine. So I'm diligent and obedient, or at least I try. I wish I had a dime for the times I've been criticized. They love to hate, I don't care what they say. Laugh while I listen, staying in my lane with the Lord. I'm in the spirit. Never mind, I'm thinking twice, I'm on the rise, yeah. While everybody else getting up to no good, I'll be praising you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'll be serving you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'm a praise light. Yeah, I'm a serve light. Don't you know I'm a homebody? Don't leave my home for nobody. Bible studies over parties, any day, anyway. Wishing love and light to friends of mine who have faded away. Hoping they find happiness, hope they find their way, yeah. To life, to Christ, rely on the Most High. Yeah, yeah, it's nothing but love. I get it from above, and while everybody else getting up to no good, I'll be praising you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'll be serving you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'm a praise light. Yeah, I'm a serve light, yeah, yeah. Gave my life to Christ and He's on my side, yeah. I don't want the pride, I want peace and life. There are a few who find it. I gotta take the narrow gate, and that's why I'll be praising you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'll be serving you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'm a praise light. Yeah, I'm a serve light, yeah.
I was working with the weight on, but he took the weight off. Yeah, I was chasing at the paper, but he showed me something greater. That's what happens when you wait. Blessings ain't raining on me, blessing my head and my feet. Numbers is going up, gotta thank God that we blowing up. Missed all my dates with the coroner. Remember the times I was going through late, but I swear I was going nowhere. But you are all I needed. Can't fall off, I'm way too lit. Tell me all the things you heard about a kid. Walking with the confidence, you never catch me limp. Got the spirit with me, so you know we always win. Yeah, yeah. I was walking with the weight on, but he took the weight off. Yeah, I was chasing at the paper, but he showed me something greater. That's what happens when you wait on him. That's what happens when you wait on him.
Blessings they raining on me, blessed from my head to my feet. Numbers they going up, gotta thank God that we blowing up. Missed all my days with the coroner. I grind, I gotta do better. I grind my foot on the pedal. I grind, this ain't for no medal. I grind, I will never let up. But my life I already gave up, but my time is already set up. And our ties could never be severed. I couldn't see life being better. I was working with the weight on, but he took the weight off me. I was chasing after paper, but he showed me something greater. That's what happens when you wait on him. That's what happens when you wait on him. Really great. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, 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 hey. No pressure, pressure, pressure. Said I'm fine, but deep down I know I've been lying, I'm lying. Yeah, made a covenant with my eyes. I done broke it 100 times. They been living all your design. No, looking at my history since elementary. I was addicted to that fake love up in the screen. Looking at my history, every word you said to me, I know you cleansing me. Through the blood got victory. I was going out of my mind. Dead man walking blind. Yeah, right on time, saved my life. It was killing me softly, killing me softly in my mind, killing me softly. I fall on my knees and pray to God. These are my confessions. Make me more like you when I'm feeling pressure. Make me more like. I don't really wanna swipe no more. I don't know what to type no more. I don't wanna pick up my phone, log on the website no more. I don't wanna keep lying to myself, tryna front like it ain't no wrong. No, we coming like a thief in the night, can't run from the light no more. Ain't no dollar sign that I could earn. Feel that hole in my heart, had to learn what I'm worth. Now I walk by faith, not by sight. Walking in love, not by hype. I been healed by His stripes. I been healed by His stripes. Feel so good to say it twice. Know my heart was cold as ice. Save me from the lonely. It was killing me softly, killing me softly in my mind, killing me softly. I fall on my knees and pray to God. These are my confessions. Make me more like you when I'm feeling pressure. Make me more like.
Used to hit the pole, then go and pop a Molly to finish the show. I woke up to my thoughts and thought I had to go. I woke up to my thoughts and thought I had to smoke. Oh no, no, no. Gave up my body for some combos and meals. I ain't talking about millions, talking entrees at Ritz, talking be dressed at 6, talking just cause he rich. Yeah, this don't make no sense. Pops ain't raised me like this. You can search every inch of my mind. You can look through these cracks and you'll find. You can look at the past of my life. You can look at my past and you'll find I got memories about the girl you once knew. She's not who you see. I thought that you should know that God delivered me. I thought that you should know that I got history. I was searching for a person, place, a thing, for a noun that could define me, yeah, and give me what I need. I was hurting, but face beat, baby, I could only give you what I had, and that was skin deep. Oh no, these are facts, they are not feelings. Your past is not the villain. Pass the beans, I'll spill it for His glory. Pull up, give you floor seats to what He's doing in my life and what He's done. You can search every inch of my mind. You can look through these cracks and you'll find. You can look at the past of my life. You can look at my past and you'll find. I got memories about the girl you once knew. She's not who you see. I thought that you should know that God delivered me. I thought that you should know that I got history. You can judge me or join me, it's a celebration. Unto God he's patient unto us. Yeah, if he did it for me, he can do it for you too. Yeah, you can search every inch of my mind. You can look through these cracks and you'll find. You can look at the past of my life. You can look at my past and you'll find. I got memories about the girl you once knew. She's not who you see.